Hi, my name is Ethan. Welcome back to Kitchen Adventures. Today, we're gonna be making chicken cutlets. This is a fairly simple and easy recipe, so you can make many chicken cutlets and serve it to eat to your whole family or your neighbors. To make chicken cutlets, all you need is salt, flour, eggs, Epicure Creamy Ranch, cubed chicken breast, or alternatively, garlic, salt, and onion powder. First, we're gonna whisk together 2 eggs so that we can start the battering process. Then we're gonna put in another bowl flour, a pinch of salt, and some creamy ranch dressing. Once we have our bowl with flour, salt, and creamy ranch dressing, we're going to dip the chicken into the egg mixture, and then into the flour mixture, and then back into the egg mixture, and one final time in the flour mixture. Once you've dipped your chicken into the egg mixture and the flour mixture twice, we're going to put it on the pan with olive oil at a medium to high heat. This is where we'll fry the chicken and then it'll be cooked. Make sure that you're cooking your chicken properly because if you don't, then it could be bad. Chicken has a product called salmonella in it, and that can be very poisonous to some people. Now we've finished cooking the chicken. It looks amazing. I can't wait to eat it. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.